Hi everyone, Brian Barber here with Piper Percussion and Forest Avenue Home, one of my new ventures. Well, a lot of you that know me know that I've been a tinkerer most of my life. I'm building something. If I'm not taking something apart to figure out how it works or try to rebuild it, I'm at least making a mess in a workshop somewhere. Now it's my workshop. Also right now I'm in a DIY Hero competition. This competition is sponsored by Barnwood Living, which does amazing work, by the way. And 75% of the cash proceeds are going to go to the American Lung Foundation. Wearing a respirator. The cash prize is $25,000, which is not chump change, and that will go a long way to help me build these brands. So thank you if you've already sent in votes. I've seen a lot coming in. I'm actually surprised and blown away at all the support and votes I've had already. Thank you so much. Unbelievable. I've almost got the workshop built out exactly the way that I want it. It's about to get messy down here. But there's about a week left for voting, so there's time. You can get in there, cast those daily votes. Any extra votes that you want to pay for, I appreciate it. Every click, every vote, every share. Do your civic duty and vote! You can vote daily. The most important thing, along with voting, is share, share, share. So tell your kids, tell your wife, tell your husbands, and get everybody voting out here. Thank you so much. I love you all. Stay tuned.